and this one Trishul, and this one for Hanumanji. Friends, our Navdurgas are ready. In our village, everyone joins Maa Durga's aarti in the morning and evening. From every house, an aarti plate goes to the Durga Pandal, and all together we perform the aarti. And village life is full of unity and simplicity. And in our village, Maa Durga's idol are installed at two places. So after worshipping at one place, everyone goes to the other place for puja and then enjoy the prasad together. Hi everyone, very good evening all of you. And right now children are getting ready for Navdurga debut, and they all are in my home and some are getting ready in their home. And now Durga will also come. They are getting ready, and you can see some kids are here. And we have everything in our home. Let me show you all the crowns and so many things. And this one Trishul, and this one for Hanumanji, and many things. And for lion, and this one for demon, and for Maa Durga. And we have this 9, more than 9. And this one is tail of Hanumanji, and Hanumanji will use this for making his tail. And this cloth for Lord Shiva's, and many things we have all the things. And this one for Hanumanji, and this one you can see many things we have in this box, all the things. And this one for Lord Shiva's, and this bow, and this bow is for Lord Rama, and this kind of 3 bow is here. And these all. Finally, our Navdurgas are ready. Some girls are getting ready, so you can see. Yeah. Right now, all the children are dressed beautifully as Navdurga, and their faces are glowing with happiness. And just a few days ago, they were busy with their exams, so we could not arrange such cultural activity. But now, as their quarterly exams are over, and the children are free and full of joy, and they are not only participating in the program but also enjoying the festive atmosphere of our village. The whole pandal is filled with lights, devotion, music, and laughter, and it feels like one big family celebration. Friends, our Navdurgas are ready. Take blessing for all Durgas. wonderful, guys. Say everyone hi. Friends, in our village, we do new activities every day. Sometimes we present Mahishasur Vadh, sometimes Shiv Parvati Vivaah, and sometimes we perform Chot Jawara and many other traditional plays. Every day there is something different, and all the villagers enjoy together with great excitement. And I hope you like today's video, and if you like it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.